Alrighty, guys, Martin here with a brand new video. This is another income report because you guys are loving this series, and everybody's asking me, okay, can we see some more? Can we see some more? There we go. I'm going to show you some more right now. Okay, so up until now, I showed you six different income streams, if I'm not mistaken. I lost count, to be honest. Yeah, I think it's six, and this one here is number seven. And for this one, I'm going to take you way back again to show you all the payments. So you can see since I started working with these people, how much money I have been able to get from them. Okay, so please remember that this comes in addition to the other six that you've already seen. Okay, and when you're going to see these numbers, maybe you need to rewatch the other videos to start adding the numbers and stuff, but that's a lot of money every single day. Thanks to the system. Okay, so let's start here. This here, I was testing the waters just to see what kind of offers these people had. That, and to see, well, can I do should I actually go and devote my resources to this platform, right? So when I started, playing like the big boys, so these are the payments that they've sent me. Okay, so you can see here, 8,600 euros. Okay, so that was January 2nd. All right, then, yeah, for some reason, they sent me another payment here of 2,300 in addition to that. So we're during that month, it was something like almost 11,000 euros. Okay, then February, you can see 4.2 thousand euros. All right, so let's go to the other page. All right, so sorry, there's my photo there. All right, so here we have another payment of 10,000 euros, right? March 2019. April 3.5 and another, what is that? 287 or something. May, so you can see here 1.6, 2.4, 2.1. So we're in June, 4,000 here. This is, August. I don't think we did anything during that month. Here we're close to 5,000. Now we go back to 11,000 euros, 2.5. Here, 800, 2.6. 3.4, 2.5, 1,000 here, 1,000, 2002, 2003, 3003. So you can see 2.5 here, and then in January, I've stopped promoting their offers at some point because some of the offers that I liked, they move somewhere else. But yeah, I don't know how much that will equate to, but you can see, I mean, if we add this thing up, I think we shouldn't be far away from a good 50 grand at least, at least that. Okay, so you can see if you watch my other videos that at the same time on my other platforms I was making money every single month. If you watch the at least the two videos before that, I'm showing you platforms and I'm showing the stats since like 2018 or something. So this is really, really good money. And, that's passive stuff, man. It's passive. That's the best kind of money. All right. So again, some of you guys, I know you like this series. You're like, hey, man, this is cool. It's inspiring at the same time, as it should give you the motivation. So instead of being passive, instead of being a spectator, you can be an actor, right? And in order to be an actor, what you need to do is to learn what I do, how I'm doing this, and go do it for yourself. All right. And for that, what I've done is I have created a course. It's called Ultimate Lifestyle Secrets. And well, the name is basically from my lifestyle. Look at this. I mean, I'm getting money here, like 11,000. This is the ultimate lifestyle. I have the freedom. I have the time. I can do whatever it is that I want. Okay. So I created a course that explains exactly how I do it. And I basically condensed years and years of trial and error that I did and put it in the course so that someone like you is just getting started, or someone already started but you're all over the place, you can get some structure and you can start making passive income. Okay, so if you want to get in the course, then there is a button. You can see the red button on the top right of this video, or there is a in the description of this video there will be a link. Make sure you click on it. It's going to take you to the order page, and make sure you sign up. It's ridiculously cheap. Just click on it. You will see the price. You'll be like, dude, really? Yes, because I want people to be able to live that kind of lifestyle, and because I like to meet some of you guys here on the beach, and I've already met a lot of my students. They came to Bali. They were like, dude, you changed my life. This is really cool. And they're making passive income. They can travel and stuff. Okay, so make sure you click on the button. There's a red button at the top there, or there's a link in the description. Make sure you click on it. Be an actor. You have to be the director of your life, and I'm giving you a way of doing this. You'll be able to write your own story, build your own life, and get some passive income and get a kick-ass lifestyle, which is what I have, and that's the reason why my product is called Ultimate Lifestyle Secrets. All right, so there you go, guys. I will see you in the course, or if not, we are at 7, right? Income streams. And guess what? There is more. So I'm going to show you some more income streams, just in case you're not at this stage. You're like, oh, I don't know. I'm still on the fence. I am going to show you some more stuff. And you're going to be like, dude, I need to get on the course. Anyway, see you in the next video of the series. I know you guys love it. So I'm going to give you some more. See you. Bye-bye.